Y'all hear me back there?
With the mic.
Hello? Hey. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Good. Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
My baby.
Y'all can hear me over here, right? Alright, this song is by Silk. It's called More.
What?
Thank you. Yeah. Can we get a room on the south side of the ghetto? Could we make sweet love whether in the forest or the meadow? Can we get it on till the sun gives light? Can we just kiss each other like it was our very, very, very first time? Baby, please give me some more, please, just a little bit more. I like the way you touch me. Give me some more. And I need some more. Baby, I'm feeling, and I need some more. Just a little bit more.
Get these people to the club. Get these people. All right. Keep them going.
Can we hold hands and walk across the sandy beaches? Could we just stop and stare? Just looking at each other, looking at sweetness. Can we embrace each other while the moon gives the light? Can we make a pact to stay together forever together? Oh. Yeah, that's about it, you know.